welcome back to my channel, and for today I'm going to do a bold lips makeup look, and I'm going to be using the Lip Brulee High Shine Lip Cream that I got in my Ipsy bag that I showed in my last video, or 2 videos from now, I believe. Mostly because I took it off because I didn't like it with the eye look I was wearing at the time, but I do want to use this because I do want to incorporate some more bold colors as requested by my sister. And without further ado, let's just jump right in. I'm going to start off with my e.l.f. active stick. I'm just going to put some of that all over my face. Then I'm going to go in with my Covergirl True Matte Made Foundation. Next I'll go in with my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer. Just bring the concealer over my eyes to prime. I'll go ahead and set all that using the Hourglass Veil Setting Powder. Just buff in anything left over with a brush. And then I will quickly do my brows using my NYX Brows Micro Brow Pencil. And then I will set those in place with my L'Oreal Brow Plumper. I'm going to start off by taking this Blanc shade, and I'm using the e.l.f. the new Classics Palette, and I'm just going to take that right under the brow bone on a tapered fluffy brush, just really lightly so you can highlight that brow bone. It's a pretty intense shade, so it's hard to do it super duper light, but just do your best. Followed by taking the shade Darling and the shade Charmer through the crease. This is like a very nice nude shade on me, and on days where I'm doing the bare minimum I will literally just go in with these 2 shades all in the crease and over the eyelids, but we're gonna spice it up a little bit more for today. I will then go in with Opulent all over the lid. I'm just zooming in a little bit so you can see what I'm doing a little clearer. And then I'm going to go in with the shade Platinum. And I'm going to take Platinum all through the inner half of the eye. I will then take Cosmos on my inner corner. And then just go right back in with Darling and Charmer on the lower lash line, just fluffing it out. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and take Downtown, which is like a black with some gold glitter in it, just on that same brush, and just add a little definition to the outer corners. And then gently blend that out. Make a very smoky effect. Now that we're done with the eyes, we're just going to go ahead and add a coat of mascara. I'm going to use the Essence Lash Princess. I'm going to go in with Milani bronzer in Golden just to bronze the face. And then last but not least, we're going to add on the Lip Brulee High Shine Lip Cream. And this one is in the shade Rhubarb Custard. And that completes today's video, guys. I hope you liked the look. If you have any more suggestions for makeup looks you guys would like to see on my channel, just let me know in the comments below. I like to read what you guys leave me. And make sure to hit that thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to see more videos in the future. I upload every Monday and Thursday, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!